everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So in this lecture, I'll be sharing the complete standard book list for each of the unit that you could use if you're preparing from the very first stage and you have ample amount of time for preparing for this examination. See, if you have time and if you can go through the standard books, there's nothing better than that. I would highly recommend you that if you can, go for standard books. There is no harm in that. I have been asked many a times in the comment sections about the various standard books that they could follow for various units. So I thought to make a complete video for the same. So I'll be sharing all the standard books that you could use for each of the units specifically. If we look at the syllabus of the CSIR, there are 13 units in that. So for the first unit, that is the molecules and their interactions relevant to biology or the biochemistry. So for this unit, you can use the very first book is the Leninger, which is the Principles of Biochemistry. You can use this book for clearing all your basics and for the advanced level of studies also. You can also use the book by Voigt and Voigt or by the Lubert-Stryer. You can use any of this book depending upon your preferences. You can go through the content of the book and you will be able to find that which book suits your preferences. So depending upon that, you could select the book that you want for the preparation. Talking about the cell biology, that is unit 2. So for this unit, you could use either the Bruce Alberts, you can use Lodish, Prescott or Brooke. And from Brooke, you have to do the microbial physiology and the host-parasite interaction topic. So these two topics should be done from this book, and for other topics, you can use any of the book depending upon your preferences. Talking about the third unit, that is the fundamental processes. So for this unit, the best book available is Watson. The book's name is Molecular Biology of Gene. You can use this book for completing of unit 3 in detail. For the next unit, that is the cell signaling. So unit 2 and unit 4 are very much interlinked to each other. So for that, same, the first book, that is Molecular Biology of Cell by Bruce Alberts, could be used. You could use Lodish. In addition, you could use Cooper, Karp, and if you are targeting for immunology, the best book for the same is Kube. You have to do only the selected topics from this particular book. You need not to go through the complete book for this particular chapter. So for immunology topic, use Kube book, and in that use selected topics for the same. Talking about the fifth unit, that is the developmental biology. So for developmental biology, you can use the book Developmental Biology. This is the name of the book by Scott F. Gilbert. So for this book, you have to remember that you have to have the latest and the updated version of the book available at that particular time. Why? Because in developmental biology, we have many of the mutation cases and many of the genes involved. So because of the experimental conditions available, we have many of the genes getting discovered daily. So you make sure that you use the latest and the updated version of the book. The book is by the Gilbert, and for that, the latest and the updated version would be the most preferred one. The next unit is the plant physiology. So for plant physiology, the best book you could use is Stays and Zeiger, and in addition to that, you can also use a book by V.K. Jain. It is also available in market. If you are comfortable with the foreign authors, you can go for this, but if you want a lighter note for the same, you can use the book by V.K. Jain also. Talking about unit 7, as I am not from the background of this, I have tried to find out the sources of the same. So for that, for human physiology, you can use the book by Vander. For medical physiology, you can go for the book by Guyton and Hall. Also, you can use a book that is The Principles of Anatomy and Physiology by Gerard G. Torta. I have no idea about that how helpful these books are, because I'm not from the zoology background, but I have tried to find out the sources, and these were the sources that were mentioned in many areas, hence I have incorporated them. If you find any other book related to the same, you're most welcome, you can use those books also. Let's move forward, that is unit 8, Inheritance Biology. For this, the best book is the by Gardner, that is the Principles of Genetics, and in addition, if you are comfortable with any other book also, you can also use the Principles of Genetics by these authors. So this was about unit 8. Talking about the ninth unit, that is the diversity of life form. So one problem with this unit is that it is a very diverse unit and you cannot limit from which book you have to do. So the best source for this particular unit is Google. You can, whatever topic is given in the unit, just Google that and you would be able to find out some information from the same. And in addition, if you're targeting for the microbiology section of this unit, you can use the book by Prescott. Talking about unit 10, that is ecology. So for ecology, you can use first by Peter Stilling. 50 to 60% of the ecology segment could be completed from this. And there is also one more book available, that is the Elements of Ecology by Smith and Smith. The remaining 40% could be completed from this particular book. The next is unit 11, that is evolution. So for evolution, the best source could be Pathfinder. It is very beautifully given in Pathfinder. So for evolution, you can go for Pathfinder. And in addition, if you want more advanced level of studies, so you can also use a book by Mark Ridley, and the book's name is Evolution. Talking about unit 12 and unit 13, so for unit 12 and unit 13, you have to use various books for the same because there is no single book available in the market for the same. So for unit 12 and 13, you have to use the combination of this. The first one is the Principles of Gene Manipulation and Genomics by Sandy B. Primrose. Then we have the book by Principles and Techniques of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology by Wilson and Walker. And the third source could be the Pathfinder. You have to go through these books and you have to find out that which topics are important depending upon your preferences, and you can use a combination of each one of them. And this was all that I wanted to share in this particular video. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, please do like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up very soon with more informative videos as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.